Hello, fellow plant enthusiasts. This is a 3-week and 1-day update on this terrarium that I set up. So I have it on a very flimsy and wobbly shelf that I made, and I have, you can see over here, this cording so that I can hold it into place. And I have it on a west-facing window, and my plants are happy there. So with this terrarium, I just used regular potting soil as a growing media. I did not bother putting layers of pebbles and gravel and charcoal, etc. So many people, they feel like that's what has to be done to get a terrarium just right. But look at this terrarium. It is beautiful, and I don't have that. I don't know why books are published on different layers of substrates. I mean, when you have a terrarium this tiny, as long as you don't make it overly soggy, it's going to be fine for the plants. Now, some of the plants I put in here, or all the plants I put in here, are this variegated wandering Jew. And I put stem cuttings also of the artillery plant, Pilea libanensis. And growing on the rock is a string of turtles, or Peperomia prostrata. And you can see its nice flower spike over here. And then I got some moss from the yard down there. And let me show you, the stems that I stuck in there are starting to grow, so they've already rooted. I don't have all this excessive moisture coating the glass. I just have a little bit back here, but that is easy to wipe off. And as it starts to dry out a little, you don't have that, and then you can spritz a little to keep it slightly hydrated. And then you can see the moss is growing and happy, and it can start, being pruned soon. So this is one nice, happy terrarium, and I'm debating if I want to sell it on Facebook Marketplace or keep it. But yeah, I made a nice terrarium here, and I thought I'd show it off to you guys because some terrariums fail. I mean, not every terrarium is going to be nice and happy. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. I hope you found it inspiring as well, and happy planting.